Coolant is a crucial component for regulating the engine's temperature and preventing it from overheating. When a coolant leak happens, it can lead to engine damage and overheating if not addressed promptly. Causes of a coolant leak. 1. Leaking radiator hose. The cooling system relies on rubber hoses to transport coolant between the radiator, engine, and other components. Over time, these hoses can degrade due to heat, exposure to chemicals in the coolant, and wear and tear. This can lead to coolant leaks. 2. Faulty radiator. The radiator is a crucial component of the cooling system that dissipates heat from the coolant. It can develop leaks due to corrosion, punctures, or damage to the fins and tubes. 3. Radiator cap issues. The radiator cap maintains the pressure in the cooling system. A faulty cap can cause the system to lose pressure, resulting in coolant leaks. 4. Faulty water pump. The water pump circulates coolant through the engine. If it fails or its gasket deteriorates, it can cause coolant to leak. 5. Head gasket failure. A blown or damaged head gasket can cause coolant to leak into the combustion chamber or oil passages. It results in white smoke from the exhaust and oil contamination. 6. Coolant reservoir leak. The coolant reservoir or overflow tank can crack or develop leaks over time. It holds excess coolant and allows for expansion and contraction. 7. Excessive pressure. If the cooling system is subjected to too much pressure, it can cause components like hoses, radiators, or the radiator cap to fail and leak coolant. 8. Cracked engine block or cylinder head. In some cases, a cracked engine block or cylinder head can allow coolant to leak into the engine or the external environment. 9. Freezing conditions. If the coolant mixture is not properly diluted with water, it can freeze and expand, causing damage to the cooling system and potential leaks.